What type of motion does a fan show?
Circular.
Which is known as the windiest planet in our solar system?
Neptune.
Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas?
Argon.
What unit is used to measure temperature?
Degree Celsius.
What is the full form of www?
World Wide Web.
A young plant developing from a seed is called
Seedling.
Which one is not a planet?
Pluto.
What is the basic unit of force?
Newton.
Which of the following is a type of cloud?
Stratus.
Which of the following is an example of force?
Opening a book.
What happens when you press Ctrl plus S?
Saves the file.
Which one of the following is an inner planet of the solar system?
Venus.
What do you call animals that sleep through winter?
Hibernating.
What is a magnet's north pole attracted to?
South Pole.
What is the time taken by the sunlight to reach Earth's surface?
Eight minutes and 20 seconds.
What type of energy powers a fan?
Electrical.
What does a light year measure?
Distance.
Which is the scientific name for modern human beings?
Homo sapiens.
Which instrument measures wind speed?
Anemometer.
What is a file?
A collection of data.
The death of every member of a particular species is known as what?
Extinction.
Which natural resource is used to make paper?
Trees.
What is made by humans, not found in nature?
Plastic.
Which one is an email service?
Gmail.
What do we call rain mixed with pollutants?
Acid rain.
Who is known as the father of modern astronomy?
Nicolaus Copernicus.
About how many Earth hours does Jupiter take to complete one rotation?
Ten.
Which food is rich in protein?
Meat.
How long does Earth take to orbit the Sun?
$365 days.
Which continent has no permanent human population?
Antarctica.
What does a seismograph measure?
Earthquakes.
What stores information permanently?
Hard disk.
Which acid is found more in lemons?
Citric.
Which state of matter has no fixed shape but a fixed volume?
Liquid.
Why don't sound waves travel in space?
No air.